Mark, you got 2026 mo. Now 2026, I was number 6 near the number of Dominion. It is going to be a good year. Many stars will rise. Especially when you offer to say business world, many millionaires will be billionaires. Yeah, 2026. It's going to be a very good year. It's a year of Dominion. Now, Mark, I was praying. Now, empire me bokrano. Dia minya ye. Me bompaya ma individuals be me intercessor. Me bompaya ma asafono. Me bompaya ma me fie. Me bompaya ma businessmen, be politicians. Be a anyone being sawaso. Okay. Preocupa na onyame be me na me jina 2026. Na me jina January. Me jina January 1st. January 1st me jina no. They when say 2026. Ya only she beast be. Beast it is denchem. Ojina ho. Na denchem na ojina ho no. Ne kase so chen abronsan amem no.
Denchem a wasan so de agina.
Ai, na ne kase no so chen abronsan amem ne yehu no. Abrochire de mi hu na abronsan bibiri sa. Bet de mi be hu na ni yehu no Ghana hade de. Se Ghana na me de ka mi hu abronsan a ebeso a che denchem no ame hu no ye no. Se mi han meni na me kan se bia ni podua kra no ani podua ne betimi atra be sa hade abu akwa. Wow. Ya ka sunsu mu asa. Wow. Okay. Be when said den chemni kuta enkonson nai 4 chains. Na chains na ekura beast na me hunu ye no. Me hunu nkraman maako 4 obia so chain baako so. Kraman bia meni hunu no se me han meni oso chain na ntwie. Krama ni ye grey color e free ni ti bana no eyetum afi mi hunu se oja mowa no a na mowa no wi nipa ta free nipa moja na bisa nkonko se de na wada na di a kire mi o ka kire me se yemma mpaibo enwura 2026 mo because 2026 as long as a good year no meda spirit of meda ebeti atise first quarter second quarter third quarter and a fourth quarter. Na me bisa nsem sunsumo na ne yeda ne o ma di kire me ye pagya me ho free 2026 esa ba ya ba 2023 okay do ka chem se 2023 DNT asa aboa na ntimi bis na ye na ntwie kram ese so kraman no wentimi anya adwuma afi mu nyina ne se every match ekono intercessors and watchers e woga na sore mpaibom it bis na ntimi anya adwuma 2023 okay it 2023 no o hwe 2023 meda ko so pa ekunu eyire papa boneba kuno 2023 mon statistics no okay am I because I was taken back to 2023 to see that bis na ya only shi no. Now, say if prayers are not lifted for the workings of the enemy to be frozen, a good year, a year of stars, a year of dominion. But Brad, you be
2026.
Yeah. No boy, you don't for many stars will fall a year of medal. People will commit murder. A woo be winina, a woo, and Crawford be sorry at young Crawford, that is it. So prayers must be lifted. Now, my call says, I wish a scripture, me pa, I was a D. You know, I mean, I know. Men find your Juma, men factor them to home. A baby and Srume PBR and Srume Pia. Where? Oko, a hinia cassia Pia Babu Mua. Oma no mudimu ahini nimpa ya nkrofo no ye the watchers and readers of stars. Okay. Woma mutwe bread ni shebremu hunu nsuruma ebepie ede woje aba. Follow woma mutwe shebremu no hwe nsuruma mu ni wiem hunu se ye be wo gifuo bi a obeyi Israel fo afiri o hawo. Everything a fellow sorry preocupa say ene sa na tie de ye be wo nsuruma bi a nsuruma na de woje aba de yenku nkoda nyina. Spirit of murder was activated because a star was lifted up. Okay. Over Numbers chapter 24 verse the number 17. Numbers 24:17. Time a Balaam J 28 altars are obedomeno. Balaam tibi hwe ya hunu se nsuruma be pie o Josefie o hye Yesu hunkom. O se ba akubi de mi huno o me mi huno oni o wa akiri. eti yawo Yesu no anyansafo de by Matthew chapter 2 verse 2, Matthew chapter 2 verse 5, Matthew chapter 2 verse 7. On be ka say yehu ne nsoroma wa poye no. E de na Herod ye so koye. Yen kopani nku no. Because a star is risen. Eti ebere bia nsoroma de hyebre pa bi be pie bia no. Spirit of medadi kan said ye be ya yenya obi e be ginam. No do gye ne fa hodi aba. Kese ye ne brempo ya asore. 2026 is going to be a very, very good year. What be your Numbers 24? Verse 17.
Verse 17. Mihuno. And sunye say. Meshano. And so me.
Omben.
And suruma be pue Jacob.
And suruma kesi be pie Jacob fie.
Na himpoma be free Israel mo sorry.
It is Genesis 49. Papa no friend Jacob share. Ne pa no friend no Judah ankom. Osi himpoma we emfiri won sa ji Shiloba. Sa himpoma no na Yesu ebekura. Oba for be catch the man Luke 132 say Awurade de naja David akonya ebema no San suruma na ebe pienti ne yasoma the spirit of medadi kan yenko peninko no eti Matthew 2:13 Bible say onyabe bofo be catch the supposed father of Jesus Christ Joseph safa akoda ni dwa ne ko Misrim nyesa Herod ebeko no eti 2026 many stars are going to rise up. Many millionaires are going to be billionaires. And Kophobia we least expected them to break through, break it through.
Wow.
But if prayers are not lifted as a member, spiritual watchers are very women who say yes. Many stars are going to be lifted. And the duty of the watchers to make sure they don't rise. Oh yeah. Yeah. In the end, the 2026 must be a season of prayer. Sorry, ekuo yen sorry mpaibom. Onyame de odum ne kese ye ni nhire be dum ye nenso Mark no kra na meka no.
What the call in 2023 and what about 2026. Apart from 2023 no 2024 2025 afibia someone you release one na. What's the release one?
Afibia ne de ba. In fact, you dey make kwachire pa. You make kwachire akosi year 1999 2000s eba.
Okay.
2000s eba no. Omo release the spirit of lust.
2000.
1999 2000. Spirit of lust. Baya besi 2013 2014. Spirit of lust. We lasted for alcohol, we lasted for pleasure, we lasted for kufibrade sa nema no. Etu we sa time na teenage pregnancy sorry pa. Said ye be vagabonds enkwada papa nom no ma menim no so that they will become rebellious. My revised spirits are more advanced than nipa beto awon. They are more ancient, they are also more advanced. It as long as we beto they are ancient than us. They are also more civilized and advanced than us. They know how to bring men down. Pacho wutie me pa. Especially so we have to say 2024. 2024 young girls are no ma ware fufuro wu pa.
Pa. Eba ku bi odine be go school a
2024
wonyima ka sa kun no
sir
mekai
2024 young ladies are now worth less than 2 years do oni wu pa there was a beast that was unleashed. It is 2026 first quarter meda, second quarter meda, third quarter meda, fourth quarter meda. I was here very, very, very careful. And for litigation, yakwa asase so and for be konto kwa for ebeye very rampant if prayers are not lifted up. In 2026 it's a season of prayer. Said ye be sre rade adom ne na basa se stars be rise be in all sectors of life no rade mo ho bai. Now every beast, you only you be only on the first, the second, the third, and the fourth quarter. So moja sucking blood. Everybody see on quine. I just say mark
2026.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, G ready. Say ready, ebe resistance. Oh yeah, but